Standing in front of the fully redesigned 2026 BMW X6 M Competition, you immediately sense that this isn't just an SUV, it's a statement. The front end is sharp, wide, and unapologetically aggressive. The illuminated kidney grille dominates. The view, flanked by razor-thin laser headlights that cut through the air like blades, large air intakes and a carbon fiber splitter sit low to the ground, giving you that unmistakable performance posture before the engine even starts. As you move along the side, the coupe-like roofline flows seamlessly toward the rear, creating a silhouette that feels athletic rather than bulky. The widened arches, carbon side skirts, and massive forged wheels tell you this machine was built with speed and precision in mind, not just luxury. Round back, the design tightens and flexes its muscles. Slim 3D taillights glow with a modern signature, while the quad exhaust tips and aggressive diffuser hint at serious power underneath. Everything about the exterior feels sculpted, aerodynamic, and bold, like it's constantly ready to launch forward. Step inside, and the character shifts from raw aggression to refined control. You're surrounded by premium materials. The moment you settle into the deeply bolstered sport seats, wrapped in soft leather and Alcantara with precise stitching, the cabin feels driver-focused, almost cockpit-like. The curved digital display stretches across the dashboard, blending the instrument cluster and infotainment into one seamless high-definition interface. Ambient lighting traces the contours of the interior, creating a calm, high-tech atmosphere that contrasts beautifully with the SUV's exterior intensity. Your hands fall naturally onto the flat-bottom M steering wheel, thick, perfectly weighted, and fitted with dedicated performance controls. The center console, finished in carbon fiber and brushed aluminum, houses a crystal-style gear selector and BMW's latest iDrive system, making every function intuitive and within easy reach. Even in the rear, passengers get generous space and the same attention to comfort, reminding you this is still a luxury grand tour at heart. Under the hood, the vision is pure M philosophy, twin-turbo V8 engineered for instant throttle response, explosive acceleration, and confident all-wheel drive grip. Multiple drive modes let you tailor the personality, from relaxed cruising to track-ready sharpness, so the car adapts to you, not the other way around. In the end, the 2026 by 6 meters competition isn't trying to fit into a category. It blends coupe, styling, SUV, practicality and supercar performance into one bold package, giving you a vehicle that feels just as comfortable outside a luxury hotel as it does attacking a winding back road.